In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar in 2025. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast or simply looking to streamline your schedule, integrating these two powerful tools can make managing your calendar a lot more efficient. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps to get your calendars synced up. First things first, we need to head over to the Notion Calendar product page. You can do this by navigating to the URL, which is conveniently listed in the video description below. Once you've arrived at the product page, make sure you're familiar with Notion's calendar features, as this will help you make the most of the upcoming integration. Next, you'll want to open up your Notion calendar. As you do this, ensure you're signing in with the Google account that's linked to the calendar you want to connect. This is an important step because access permissions will be granted specifically to the Google account you use during this process. If you haven't done so already, sign in using your Google credentials. With your Google account ready and raring to go, you'll be prompted to allow Notion Calendar access to your account. This is crucial because Notion needs permission to view and interact with your calendar data. Follow the prompts carefully, making sure to review the permissions being requested. Once you've confirmed, select the desired calendar from your Google account to initiate the connection. The magic really happens in this final step. After granting the necessary permissions and selecting your calendar, you'll notice that your Google Calendar events start appearing within the Notion calendar. This real-time integration ensures that any appointments, meetings, or reminders you have on your Google Calendar will seamlessly populate your Notion workspace, allowing for a more consolidated view of your schedule. As you begin using this synchronized setup, it's worth noting that any changes you make in Google Calendar will automatically reflect within Notion, providing you with the convenience of dual access. This seamless approach is perfect if you frequently switch between apps or devices throughout your day. To sum up, integrating Notion with Google Calendar in 2025 is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your planning and organizational capabilities. By spending just a few minutes setting up this connection, you can enjoy the benefits of a unified scheduling system, helping you stay on top of your commitments and manage your time more effectively. Thank you for sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. And don't hesitate to drop your questions or experiences in the comments section below. Happy scheduling, and see you in the next video.